Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Tricks. So today we are going to see about the task 20J. In this session we are going to see task 20J. So what they are telling, open the file which is saved in task 20I and change the formula in cells D3 to D21. So you should change the formula in cells D3 to 21 to display not experienced if they have less than 5 years experience. So if a person is having less than 5 years experience, so it should display that he is not an experienced person. And experienced if he is having 5 or more years experience. So 5 years or more years experience means he is experienced, and less than 5 years means he is not experienced, and it is 10 or more years experience means very experienced. So you should get this automatically when if you write the formula. So how to write the formula? So this is what? So greater than or equal to 10 means very experienced. Greater than or equal to 5 means experienced. Less than 5 means not experienced. So what is the formula? How you will write the formula? So this is how you will write the formula. So see, equal to if the value is greater than or equal to 10. So what is if the value is greater than or equal to 10? So he is experienced, very experienced person, right? So if the value is greater than or equal to 10, he is experienced person. We are writing here if within the if. So here we are using nested if. So if within the if, and if C3 is greater than or equal to 5, he is experienced. Otherwise, if these two conditions fits, then he is not experienced. That means if the person is not greater than or equal to 10 or not greater than or equal to 5, then that person come as not experienced. That means less than 5 will come as not experienced. So let us write a formula. So I am going to open task 20I. So here we are going to write the formula called in D, where the row D23 I mean, right? D33. Okay. So here we should write the formula as equal to if which one? C3 is greater than equal to if C3 value of C3 is greater than or equal to 10, then that person is experienced person. So then that person is experienced, very experienced, So if it is less than 10, very experienced. Then we should write here one more if, right? So comma if the person is less than or equal to, that means again if C3 is less than or greater than or equal to 5, then what is the condition we have? What is the statement? You should display experience. Then if this condition is failed, then we should write person is not experienced. Fine. So this should be in double quotes. Close the braces. So let us see. So this person is not experienced. Sorry, we should write the formula here. Okay. Sorry, we should write the formula here, not here, right? So let us copy the same formula. Right, paste again back. So Control C. Okay. I'm going to copy the same formula and I'm going to write here. Let us write here. Okay. So this is what. So this person is having 3 years of experience. So this person is not experienced. So let us drag down. So see, this person is not experienced and he is having 12 years experience. So this is a category where we have written in the previous task. This is a category where we have written in the present task. That means with the nested if condition we have written. So just for the comparison, I have inserted the formula here. So you can see if it is less than 5, not experience. 12 means very experienced. 5 means experience. So this is how you are going to write the nested if. Nested if means if within the if. That is what nested if. So this is about your task 20J. Then coming to task 20K. Task 20K. Open the file that you saved in task 20J. That means what we have done now. Insert the label total experience per in cell A34. The label the programmer in cell A35 and engineer in cell A36. So what they are telling here is in cell A34 you should label as total experience per. In cell A35 you should label as programmer, and in cell A36 you should label as engineer. Just you will write these words. So then insert a formula in cell B35 that uses both absolute and relative referencing. So we know what is absolute and relative referencing, right? So you will write a formula in B35 to calculate the number of years experience for the programmers, and in cell B36 you will write both absolute and relative referencing to calculate number of years. So here you will calculate number of years experience for the engineers. Here you will calculate number of experience for the programmers. Okay, fine. Now let us see. So as a label you will write like this: total experience for programmer and engineer. So let us see. So in 34, 35, 36 we are going to write this. So in cell 34, 35, 36, okay, programmer and engineer I have already written. Then let us see. So for the programmer and engineer, what are the formulas we are going to use here? Equal to, so how many the question is how many years of experience the programmers are having. So let us read the question again. Both absolute and relative to calculate number of years of experience for the programmer. So you will calculate the number of years experience for the programmers. So how to calculate the number of years experience for the program? So we have already written this as a job. We have already named this as a job. This field as a job. So we have already defined this as a job. So we will see equal to. So which function we should, which formula we should use? We should use sum if. So because if we want to calculate the programmers, but here we have different categories we have, like programmer, engineer, sales. So that's why we are using sum if, because we are writing we want to write the condition, and we know this. We have defined this whole thing as a job. So I'm going to write here as job because we have already have the job. See, if I'm writing here job, it is selected automatically from here to here. So what is the criteria? So we want to calculate programmer. So A35 comma. So what is the range? So what is the category? So from here to here. That means C3 to C21. But they said we should use the absolute and relative reference. So we have used some reference here. So we are going to use the absolute reference. So C. So if we are writing C3 to C21, we will get the wrong answer because it will change for every row. So we are going to change some $C, then $3, because we will lock here $C, $3 colon, from where to where? $C 21 colon $21. So from here to here. Then we will see. So now see, you are getting 36.2. Here you will be getting automatically it changes to. So here we have applied the formula job A35. If you drag down, it will change to 26. That's how. That means why we have drag means same formula we will be using. When you are dragging down, it will take A36. Just we want to change here. Here we want the programmer, here we want the engineer. So just that change we want. So that's why I had dragged the formula. So again I repeat, equal to sum if the category job. So I have defined this name, or else you can write from where to where. You can write this whole thing from B2 to B21. So job, then A35. In A35 I have programmer. I want to calculate the sum of the programmers. So A35 and $C to $C $3. So $C $3 is this one. I have logged it. And from $C to $21 till here. This is how you will calculate a sum if with program. If you want to calculate different programmers and engineer sums. So that's all for this video. Thank you everyone. If you like this video, please like and share. Thank you. Bye bye.